Hello everybody, Dr. Schlater here. This is Unit 7, Lesson 15, Activity 15.3. We've got a maze. So Andre's route was the maze. He started from the lower right entrance down here, and he made his way through the maze all the way there. So we're asking here, what are the coordinates of the first two and the last 2 points of his route? So we know the origin is this dot in the middle. And we might know that for a couple different reasons. We might guess that because it's the point in the middle. Or you might notice that the coordinates all the way around are exactly the same except the signs are changed. And that's a good clue that what I have in here in the middle is the origin. All right, so how much is a square? So let's think about that 11, 15. 1, I'm going to count how many squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5 squares gets me to 11. Okay. 5.5. What's the connection between 5.5 and 11? 2 times 5.5 is 11. Wait a minute. How many squares up? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. 7.5 gets me to 15. All right, 2 times 7.5 is 15. Let's make a note. Each grid square is 2 units long. Okay, that's really important. If I didn't know that, this would be a really tough problem to do. So I need to think now, where are these points down here? So that's where I talk about the first 2 and the last 2 points of his route. The first 2 are these 2 points right here. So let's see. I'm moving here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's at 12. Okay. 12, and then what? All right, we're going down, so they're going to be negative. 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, so that's 8. 12, negative 8. Well, this point to move over here is 2, 4. And it's got the same y coordinate, so that's going to be 4, negative 8. Okay. So those are the first 2. How about the last 2 points? All right, so I'm moving this direction. Negative 2, negative 4. And then 2, 4, 6, 8. So negative 4, positive 8. And the last point out here has the same y coordinate. So I know that's going to be positive 8. How far over is that? 2, 4, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, negative 12. If you want to see some neat patterns, think about the connections between the coordinates here, especially how we change signs. Okay, how far did he walk from the starting point to his ending point? Here we go. Let's do some labeling here. All right, I'm going to use some red. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So that is 8 squares. 2, 4, 6, 8. Is that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? There we go. Got to count that right. That's 10. 2, 4, 6. That little spot right there is 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 8. Going down 1, 2 squares is 4 units. Going over 2 squares is 4 units. Whew. Going down 2 squares is 4 units. 2, 4, 6, 8. Going up 1 square is 2 units. 2, 4, 6. 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10. Oh, 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, 8 units. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, so how far do you walk? I have to add all those numbers. So we need 8 plus 10 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8. And then I've got 4, 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And then I've got 8 plus 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8. Oh my goodness. Calculator or something to help us out here. I'm actually going to do this in a secret way. Notice that 8, 2, 6, 10, 8 is repeated over here. 8, 10, 6, 2, 8. So, okay, what is that going to be? So that's going to be 2 times, when I add those together, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 6 is 16, plus 10 is 26, plus 8 is 34, plus the 3 fours in the middle, 4, 4, 4 is 12. Okay, so 2 times 34 is 68, plus 12 is 80 units. Whew. Lots of time walking through a maze. Okay, we'll see if we need to erase these. I need to figure out something on the next one. Jada went into the maze and stopped at -7, +2. Okay, where is that? -7. So 2, 4, 6, -7, and then up 2. All right, she is, let's put a point. She is right here. That's where she is. So -2, -4, -6, -7, halfway in between, and then 2 up. All right. Plot the points that would lead her out of the maze to the exit on the upper left-hand side. Well, oh, wow, this is pretty straightforward. All she needs to do to get out here is she needs to, let's draw some lines. She needs to go, oh, no, I want to change the color of these. Let's make lines in black. All she needs to do is go out here, and then turn up here, and then turn there. Okay, so that's Jada's path. That's a lot easier. Whew. Plot that point and the other points that would lead her out through the maze. We've done that. How far does she need to walk? Okay, so let's do this in black. Half a square plus a square is 3. And then 1, 2, 3 squares is 6. I know I've got 2 sets of numbers on here. And then that full distance is still 8. 3 plus 6 was plus 8. So she must walk. 3 plus 6 plus 8, which is 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 3 is 17 units. Much smaller path. So notice what we've been doing here. In this activity, we have been talking about distances again and finding points on a coordinate plane where things are not necessarily 1 square long, and finding complicated shapes. Good practice.